Hello, darkness, my old friend. Come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping, it left a seed while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain, it still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams, I've walked along narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were spared by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, and people hearing without listening. People were writing songs that voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Who said, "I do not know silence, it grows like cancer." Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed within the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to that neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warnings, and the words said it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.